Hi everyone, it's Joanna. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for clicking on the link. I'm going to do this makeup look. I'm going to show you the products I used. I am visually impaired and I am colorblind and I'm 46 and I'm not a makeup artist, I'm a teacher. If you want to see what I used and how I got to this face, continue watching. Okay. So let's start. Let me just straighten the camera because it's a look. Yeah. Oh, hang on. My phone has a notification. Let me just fix the time. So my skin in all its glory. I'm going to start with the e.l.f. This is one of the steps I rarely don't follow. So the halo, I'm going to start with my e.l.f. primer. Let me just go get it because I got the wrong thing. And I'm back, and this is the e.l.f. Luminous Putty Primer. I really like this primer because it's like butter, and I think it does help my makeup last longer. So I always repurchase it. I like this one, and I also like the Rare Beauty Luminous primer. So anything we can do to give a little bit of luminosity. So there you see my skin has a little bit more glow. So that's my primer done. And as I said, I want to do a quick and easy makeup look just for, I don't know, work or something you'd wear out for a coffee or something. Nothing special. Well, special. Everything's special, of course. So then I use my favorite NYX Professional Makeup Born to Glow. Not many people talk about this. I have no idea why. I think it's amazing. It lasts well on my face. It's a very watery kind of creamy consistency. And I always use my fingers to apply this. As I've said in many, many videos, I'm severely visually impaired. In England, my registration is actually severely visually impaired blind. I'm not blind, but I am an achromat, which means that I don't see color. I see scales of black, gray, white, and maybe a little bit of color. So I often use my hands for makeup application because I know where I control it. I always remember which places. The place where I get darkness is my inner eye, tear duct, whatever corner. So I try to cover that as much as I can. Now, this makeup is a little bit, this foundation is a little bit lighter, but I'm not worried about that because I do think that it helps with the darkness. Then I always put in my quick makeup look just a little bit of concealer again in the inner corner. I use the Age Eraser, the Maybelline one. I just really enjoy using this product. I've been using it for a while, and I just pat that in my eye and just add a little bit of brightness if I can. Let me just pause and wait for this. Then what I do is just wipe my eyebrows because I don't want them to have makeup on it. So then I'm going to go in with my favorite palette. I bought this before Christmas, like October, and this is the Ambient Lighting, the Universe one. And I'm going to use the bronzer, so this one, just to put a little bit of color in my face and then darken this up. So that's what I'm going to do. And I use a stippling brush from Echo Tools. I don't know why, I just like this one. And you can see, I think it looks fine. Anyway, you can't go really bad with, really wrong with Hourglass. So there you go. Put a little bit of color there. And, yeah, under and here. Then I'm going to use the blusher, which is, I'm going to use two blushes actually. I'm going to use the blusher from the Ambient palette, so this one, just go. And I like this Echo Tools brush as well. It's a round one, and I just go. I dip it in once and then go up, up, and then just a little bit. So if I dip it once and then I start with this side, then I dip it again and go from this side. So now I can see my blusher and my bronzer. So I'm just going to go in with another one and just blend them upwards and softly, just to take a bit of excess. And what I sometimes do is I use this highlighty thing, which a lot of people don't like, say it's got a bit of glitter, but I don't mind because I can't see it. So that's fine. So I've used that, and now this is something that I purchased a few weeks ago, and I love it. First of all, it looks beautiful. It's the Dior, what's this called? It's the Dior Backstage Glam Face Palette in #1 Universal. And you get a strobe, 2 strobes, one is white, one is gold, and then blush, which is pink, and then the other blush, which is bronze. Hey, they say what colors are on here. Amazing. So I'm just going to put a little bit of the pink, which is this one, and put a little bit. Look at this now. It goes really, I just really like it. I think it gives a glow. I like my cheeks to glow, because at 46 I've lost my glow, kind of. And then for my eyes, I'm going to use this blush, the bronzing blush. It's so nice. So I stick my finger in the pan. This is my eyelid, and then I'm just gonna, I'm not gonna put primer and all that, because as we said, this is supposed to be the fast makeup look. So I'm just gonna look and put some on with my finger to control where it goes, and then I'll use my, so I always touch the bone here, make sure that I've gone there. Then I'm going to do the other one. This is beautiful. I love this palette. Well, I think it's beautiful, but I can't see colour, so you can tell me if it's beautiful or if it's crap. And then to the other eyelid, and just pat that in. You're looking at my very, very grubby mirror. I'll just pause to finalize my eye. Okay, so I put that on, and then I go in again and I put a bit more on just the eyelid bit, so I don't stretch or go overboard, just to give it a bit more. And then the other one, I push that in, I press that in, and I just do the whole eyelid. Then I'm going to go in with a blending brush. First I'm gonna you know, wipe my finger, because we don't want the product to go everywhere. And then I'm just gonna go in with a fluffy brush and just swipe that all over. Do that. And now I'm going to check if I have anything under my eyes, which I think I do. Then I put a little bit of this white, because I really like it. I go in that corner and then here, and it looks a bit too much, but then I'm just going to go in with my finger and just put a bit of there and a bit of there. I know not lots of people do this anymore. I don't think it's part of fashion, but I like it. And when you wear glasses, it's nice to have a little bit of brightness in the inner corner. Now I'm going to do my brows. The brow pencil I'm currently using is from #7, and it is the Eyebrow Sculpting pencil. It's got this tip here, and I'm just going to draw. I don't remember how the lines are, so let me just try it. Yeah, it's quite hard. It's not the softest eyebrow pencil. I had a really nice one from NYX, but the nib fell and I lost it, and I just do a little bit of drawing, because when you wear glasses, it's nice to have eyebrows that are not too bad looking. Okay, and then just a little bit here, just a bit of just a bit here, and then there's a little spoolie bit, a little brush. So just brush this. Oh, it's a nice brush. And brush upwards. And I've seen the new eyebrow fashion with a really, really thin eyebrows. No. Okay, now I'm going to apply mascara. The mascara I'm going to use is the Double Trouble by Essence. I'm only using this because it's going to dry soon. It has a very chunky brush. And I'm going to put this on and then I'll come back to you because this can get messy. So a bit of mascara on my eyes. Then I'm going to use, I really like this product. I wasn't expecting it because I don't follow the Kardashians at all. And I watched this YouTube video and a YouTuber was talking about how she really likes the Kylie from the Kylie Lipstick. And I thought it was really nice. And my friend thought it was really nice. So you get the pencil, the lip kit, and you get the pencil. So I'm going to apply a little bit of the pencil all over my eye, all over my mouth. Just get a line in there. And then, oh, I heard that if you want your lips to look bigger, you go from here upwards. So let's do that. Up. Okay. And then underneath. Okay, now we're going to color it in. So this is just, and it feels really creamy, this pencil. So that's just the pencil. And then I'm going to put this on top, which is the lip cream. I'll just give it a minute or so to dry. Then I'm going to go in with the liquid lipstick. So there we go. Just put a little bit more. Not too much though, because I don't want it to be sticky. The formula is quite nice actually. I didn't know. And you can get these from Boots, which is where I got mine. So, okay. Now, I'm going to put my finger around my lips just to get the excess, because as we said, that's what I do. I can't see well, so I just do this. And then I change fingers because I don't want the colour to go all over my face. Now, just one last step. A little bit of highlighter, which is going to go from the Hourglass palette. And I'm just going to apply a little bit with my finger. And then a little bit here. Go around her. Okay, and then I'm just going to wipe my hands and do this. I know it's not a liquid, but still spreading, and then just a little bit. Make sure that everything's blended. And some, what's it called? Spray. I use the Urban Decay. I often use this when I want my makeup to last. So I'll just put a bit of this. Okay. Wait for it. So, there you have it. Can you see texture? Yes, you can. I do have texture. What can we do? But I think it looks nice for an everyday makeup look. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're in the same boat as me, like if you struggle with your vision, if you're colorblind, let me know. It would be great if you subscribe to my channel and we connected and just shared tips. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. A close-up so you can see all the flaws. Let me know, because I always ask my partner to look at my face, but he's not here, so he can't see. So yeah, eyes and eyebrows.